5 passive income ideas with zero investment. Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about 5 different passive income ideas for students, job holders, housewives, or any individuals who are looking to build alternate income sources. And these 5 passive income ideas requires no investment at all except your time. The first in the list is creating and selling an online course. Of course, online courses are in great demand these days because people are habituated with online learning. So if you are good at least one skill, you can directly record a course and upload it on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, etc. It is very easy thing. You need to do that only for once, and your course is doing good. You can get sales every now and then. Even though you're sleeping, you will earn money. This is the beauty with online courses. You create once and you will earn forever. And yeah, this is one of the best passive income way. Even there is no degree required or no certification required for it. Only thing that is required is your skill. And second in the list is becoming an Amazon affiliate. Amazon has this program called Amazon affiliate program, where you need to promote Amazon products in your network. Like if someone purchases that product, you will earn some commission. So you can directly search for Amazon affiliates program in Google and you will see that. You just need to enter your details and where you are willing to promote. If everything is, you will be taken into that Amazon affiliate program and you can start earning from day one itself. This is also the popular way of creating a passive income source. And number 3 in the list is starting a blog and placing ads. Of course, starting a blog requires no investment because Google has this thing called Blogspot, where you can directly create a blog for free, and there were inbuilt themes out there, so you can directly pick a theme and write content out there. So once you start writing content for 2 to 3 months of your niche, like if you're good at finance, write about that. If you're good at programming, write about that. If you write it for 3 months, you can apply for AdSense. So if that is approved, then like ads will be placed in your blog, so that you can start earning money with that. So this is also the one of the best way to earn decent passive income. And yeah, your blogs will remain there, so you can earn every time when people see your ad or people click on that ad. And number 4 in the list is offer your services as a freelancer. Of course, like let's take an example. You're good at video editing, or you're good at graphic designing, or you're good at developing websites, etc. You can offer these services as a freelancer. There were sites like Fiverr and Upwork, and you can also directly reach out to people who require those services. Yeah, you can find many freelancing jobs and you can provide them, and you can build a good income source because there is no need that like you need to work 24/7 or you need to work. You can work on your own free time or you can comfortable time. So this is best way to earn passive income, especially for students. It is advisable to become a freelancer and start earning. If you're doing good, like you can become a full-time freelancer too. And number 5 in the list is write and sell a book. So if you're good at writing and if you're good at least one skill, you can write a book. You need to write book once and yeah, you will get sales every now and then. So Amazon has this platform called Kindle Direct Publishing. It can be called as KDP. You can directly write a book there and you can sell it in Amazon itself. So yeah, these are all the 5 passive income ideas which requires zero investment, but you can build a secondary income source. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video in your network. Also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.